Why do batteries of the same size perform differently? Some support fast charging, while others offer longer driving range. The answer lies in the cathode material, high-density lithium iron phosphate. It is not only a key material for ultra-fast charging LFP batteries, but also a strategic technology frontier where leading companies compete. So what exactly is high compaction? It isn't simply achieved by pressing the material harder. Instead, it is created through full process engineering. By optimizing particle morphology, particle size distribution, and crystal structure, more active material can be packed into the same volume, significantly increasing the energy density of the battery. As we move into 2026, the fourth and fifth high-density lithium iron phosphate LFP technologies are gaining strong momentum. The growing demand for ultra-fast charging batteries downstream is directly driving process upgrades and manufacturing innovation. Boyee integrated production line solution clearly demonstrates the full process route for high compaction LFP manufacturing. The solution covers 10 key production steps, supported by 4 core technologies. Boyee production lines are already operating reliably in multiple leading cathode material manufacturers, successfully supporting the mass production of 4th and 5th generation high compaction LFP products. As capacity in the new energy cathode materials industry continues to expand, high compaction LFP has become the focus of the next wave of capacity expansion and a critical foundation for mainstream battery manufacturers competing in the ultra-fast charging battery market.